Well, guys, we're back. It's I don't even know what day it is. Wednesday morning? Yeah, it's Wednesday morning. We're back here in Marblehead, and let me turn the camera around. I'll show you guys what we got done yesterday. Let's see. Did that work? Yeah, I guess it did. All right. So yesterday we actually got the bar installed. We got the roof up, and we got it 3/4 of the way thatched. So we got the front, back, and this end, and we got the other end to go. It was a long day yesterday. Electricians are here. They're hooking up power so we can get the bar wired in. Oh, Walt, can you grab an impact gun? We need to take that panel off, and the same with the inside panel so they can get to our wiring. All right, so beautiful, another beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky, bright as anything, sunny, and lots of rocks around here. This is an old quarry. They built this development in, on, over, in, wherever, whatever. All right, so we're gonna get to work. We're gonna finish up today. We got to mold some of these palms, mold these down, and we'll be good to go. I think two of the guys are gonna head home when we're done. Walt and I think we're gonna stick around one more day. I don't want to rush getting out of here because it's such a long drive. So we'll just get everything all done and head home Thursday morning. All right, from Marblehead, Ohio, until the next video. Here, I'll show you guys the water. Tiki, out.